I think my interest for science was sparked at a very early age.
When I was in 8th grade, during high school biology.
I started doing research actually in high school.
As a child.
Probably elementary school. I remember reading a book about the first human heart transplant, and I just thought that was the coolest thing ever.
I love thinking about evolution. I loved the dinosaurs are definitely the coolest thing on the planet.
I would see my dad's physiology and anatomy textbooks on his desk, and I'll just open and look at the pictures, detailed pictures of our body and how everything works, and it would be fascinating for me.
The BioSci Careers community can really help its trainees and the graduate students by bringing together as many varied and different stories of people's journey so that people can really find their own path. And that can be in a variety of different formats. That could be in a large lecture, that could be on one-on-one mentoring, that could be dinners, that could be informal encounters.
So my transition out of training was mostly through my friends. By having someone in one of these companies kind of describe about their experience and tell you how it is, you are better informed about what you would like to do.
I got lucky that the advisors that I had all were great in terms of both scientific advice and then kind of talking to me a little bit about career-related stuff.
We help people talk to each other, and that is one of the values of being a community.
To have people to talk to and ask, okay, how did you decide whether you wanted to be a postdoc or take a job offer? To be able to have people that I can go to and ask those questions is incredibly valuable to me.
BioSci Careers helps our students explore career options, think about what's important to them, think about what skills they might need to acquire to achieve their goals, and then help them achieve those goals.
Taking the decision to go into medical school was a very difficult decision for me. So I sought help from BioSci Careers, and that was really helpful. We did a battery of tasks to see what field I could potentially go into that was in line with what my strengths are and what my goals were in life.
I was one of the early members to help start up a student group here on campus, and this community was a huge part in making that possible. A lot of my experiences through that group solidified my passion in wanting to find a role beyond graduate school that would allow me to continue participating and contributing to science.
Many PhD students, even postdocs, have a lot of uncertainty about what they want to do, but they're afraid to talk about that uncertainty. So we can help them by letting them know that it's okay to be uncertain. And not only let them know that it's okay, but also encourage them to talk about it.
Making sure that students, postdocs, staff all feel welcomed here and telling them there's hope, telling them how wonderful they are, instilling in them this confidence that we know they have.
Our development curriculum helps you look at who you are, how you work on a team, how do you have conversations with your advisor and your PI and with your lab mates. And then we move through that whole process of preparation. So we offer hands-on opportunities so you can see what the job actually could be, and you can meet the people who are in it so you can hear their stories and share your story. Basically, we are able to individualize what we do for you.
It's not only just helping me look at my CV or look at my personal statement for my residency application, but also kind of giving me advice about how people in the past have combined their multitude of interests into a career that is satisfying for them.
Giving folks a concrete endpoint where they can visualize working in those allegedly alternate careers, I think is very helpful.
I'm trying to remove the blindfolds, take a bigger view in, see what all interests me, what all I can do with my training. And career community has been really helpful in that journey.
My kind of idea of success is being able to kind of have the freedom and the resources to achieve kind of your goals.
Success is really defined by the individual.
My idea of success is helping somebody find and follow their career of choice.
I don't think of a greater success than saying we help them achieve what they wanted to achieve in life, and that's got to be our goal, and that's got to be our measure of success.
And without the community, I don't think I would have had the opportunity to dream so big, to even have the vocabulary to start to understand what was happening beyond the lab. And for that, I will forever be eternally grateful.
Our trainees really can do anything they want to do as long as they know their story and they know how and when to share it.